And terminal programs and settings na gagamitin natin for our lab. Primarily, ang ginagamit natin is PuTTY. Okay. PuTTY is a terminal application that we use to connect via Telnet or via SSH to a certain server or network equipment. So, makikita nyo dito. Yan. So, ito yung username ko and ito yung password. Okay. Ayaw. Yun, okay. So, we use primarily yung terminal emulation program natin called PuTTY to remotely connect to a certain computer or server. Now, bakit SSH ang ginagamit natin? Because this is a more secure way of communicating to a certain server or device sa network ninyo kasi encrypted siya. Okay? Hindi katulad ng Telnet kanina, hindi siya encrypted. Okay? Then, you can also use PuTTY to connect using serial. So, serial, ito yung ginagamit natin to connect to yung hanap tayo ng kwan. Ginagamit natin to connect remotely to initially configure yung mga devices natin. Okay. So, makikita nyo dito, yung mga switches natin has something called a console port. Okay, console port. Itong console port, ginagamit natin to connect a certain cable, okay, to our laptop going to that console port. Kasi itong switch natin na to, initially, walang walang IP address yung switch by default. Okay? Pag na-receive mo yung binili mong switch, okay, walang configuration yan. It's up to you to configure it. And paano mo siya i-configure initially out of the box? Gagamit tayo ng console cable. So, kukonect natin yung console cable from our computer going to the console port ng ating switch. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng terminal emulation program. Okay? Set natin siya sa serial, then open lang natin, and we will be connected already to our device para malagyan natin siya ng IP address at makapag-communicate siya sa ating network. So, makikita nyo dito, this is a console cable connection. So, ginagamit pa rin natin siya sa workplace as a last resort connection. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung talagang hindi mo ma-reach yung device or yung switch or router mo na Cisco via the network, no choice, kailangan mong pumunta doon sa location ng switch. Kaya dala mo yung laptop mo, magko-console cable ka para makita mo kung ano yung problema. Ganun din, pag merong bagong dumating na equipment, pag may bago kayong biniling equipment, galing kay Cisco or kahit anong vendor, usually merong console port yan eh. So, kung titignan ninyo, this is for Cisco. Pag naglagay naman ako ng Unify switch console, makikita ninyo, merong console port yung switches natin ng Unify. Ito. So, ano ba? Mas malaki. Yan. Makikita nyo, meron ditong console. Okay? So, whether galing yan kay Unify, galing yan kay Fortinet, galing kay HP na switches, lahat yan may console port. Bakit? Kinaya nila si Cisco eh. Siya yung naunang gumawa ng console port. Okay? So, laging pioneer si Cisco in terms of networking technologies. So, yan lang muna yung mga applications na gagamitin ninyo. We will start practicing lahat yung applications na to as we go through yung Cisco modules natin. And mapapractice ito. Huwag kayong mag-alala. You will eventually learn this by heart and magiging second nature nyo na to pag nasa workplace kayo. And you can use this for troubleshooting and for configuring yung mga Cisco devices ninyo. So that's it for this module and I'll see you on the next lesson.